Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Nothing Phone 3a. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and then click install. And then click open. And here you can select the default browser, or you can click cancel, and now you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now, and you can click sign in, or you can click not now again, and you can click turn on notifications, or you can click not now. Here you can select the theme for your browser, or you can click save and continue, and you can select toolbar placement, or you can just click save and continue. Now you can customize your Firefox browser with extensions, or you can just click start browsing. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.